Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can set up the Pinterest conversion tracking on the platform. So conversion tracking is going to be a critical feature which will help you to track your conversions which you're generating through your Pinterest advertising. At the end of the day, we are running ads primarily to drive traffic to our website where people can do business with us. They can purchase our products, services, they can fill up our forms. So this conversion tracking feature will actually track those sales or leads which we are generating through our Pinterest advertising. So it becomes a super critical feature to be set up for every account. So let's have a look at this, how you can do that. So once we are in the Pinterest account, we will be setting up the conversions over here. So for which we can go to the account overview, and here under manage business, we can come to conversions. Now, once you're in conversions, this is where we are going to set up a conversion tag, okay, a Pinterest tag. So a tag is basically a code, a piece of code which Pinterest gives us, and this code needs to be implemented at the back end of our website. So for this, we can start from here, and it gives us three options over here to use. So we can select the simplest one, which is going to be Pinterest tag only. A small piece of code we provide to track activities on the website. So this we select. And now here we can provide our website URL. So you can give your website's URL here for them to check. And it is going to give you the option with the help of which you can go ahead and connect and paste the code, get the code pasted. Okay, so here it's giving us the option of Google Tag Manager, which we can select, or else if your website is built on any of these platforms, you can select those and follow those instructions. So here I'm choosing Google Tag Manager. And then what we need to do is we need to link my Google Tag Manager account with specifically Pinterest ads. So we're going to connect. And now we can just select the container, the account and the container in which we are going to create the tag. So this is the Google Tag Manager which I have, okay, in which these are the accounts which are created. Okay, so I can select any of these accounts in which I will be creating the tag. So let's say I'm selecting this, and then we can continue. You can see it says you have finished setting up your tag. It may take up 10 minutes for us to detect your new tag. So this is how we can set up our conversion tracking tag on our Pinterest account. And once it is activated, then the conversions will start getting tracked automatically in our campaigns. You will be able to see that in the campaigns overview page. Okay, so when we come to account overview, here you will be able to see that information for yourself. Here the data will start showing. So the results over here you can have a look at, and then you will be able to see the kind of sales lead generation which happened. The conversions will get tracked in this particular section. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now how conversion tracking setup, tag setup can be done on the Pinterest ads platform.